What if I told you two global companies, Nike and Emerson, are hiring for the software engineers in India? Salaries up to 15 LPA. Yes, they hire. Stay with me to the end and I'll share how you can stand out and crack the interview using real tech. Okay? Start with Emerson. Emerson, a global technology leader, is looking for the graduate engineer in Pune. Let's talking about the eligibility. They asking for the 0 to 2 years of experience required, means 2023, 2024 and 2025 batch are eligible, and BS in computer science. Required strong problem solving skills, .NET, Stack, C Sharp, ASP.NET, web development technologies, HTML5, JavaScript, WCF, MS SQL Server, Transcript SQL. If you have knowledge in these technologies, so you can apply. Strong communication skills, client facing, familiarity with AI/ML concepts and techniques, including traditional machine learning algorithms like regression, classification, clustering, and model LLMs models. Experience with machine learning libraries and frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn. Experience in developing and deploying machine learning models. Means this job required AI/ML concepts and web development concepts. If you have any kind of skills, so you can apply here. Let's move to the second hiring, which is from the Nike. Nike, the global sportswear giant, is not just about shoes. Their tech team is booming. Talking about the role, it is for the software engineer role, and the work location is Bangalore. Here is the job ID is mentioned here, and you can try for the referral also. Okay, it is similar to the previous one, 0 to 2 years of experience. If you are from 2023, 24 and 25 batch, you can apply easily. They are asking for the BTech in CS or IT or related field. A strong understanding of designing and implementing web mobile technical applications. Ability to write computer code that is correct, well tested and easy to read. Key skills required. You can read here the programming languages and cloud technologies. Programming language Python, React and Node.js. This is the web technologies. Good knowledge in CI/CD pipelines and DevOps skills. Exploring new open source technologies and implementing proof of concepts. Strong collaboration and problem solving skills. What you bring means what they want from you. Knowledge of one or more computer programming language like Java, Python, React, Swift, JavaScript. If you are a web developer, JavaScript and React you already familiar with. And Python, understanding cloud-based environment, Amazon EC2, GCP, Azure, etc. Knowledge of relational and non-relational database technologies like Oracle, MS SQL, NoSQL, MongoDB, Cassandra. Here is the hiring game plan. First apply, then meet a recruiter or take a assessment. Second round is about assessment. Third round is about interview, where they ask about your skills, about your projects. So prepare well. Apply now and start preparing for this. These types of jobs required. Let's talk about how to crack it. Build 1 to 2 solid projects using React, Node.js and your preferred stack. Learn system design basics if you're applying for Nike. Resume should clearly highlight skills plus projects plus impacts. Means what they want, you have to mention the skills they required, you have to highlight this. Okay, apply now. If you like this video, click like, share and comment if you want resume template and mock interview help.